What is going on, everybody? In this video, we are going to be talking about the Wittern combo machine right here. This is a newer machine, probably 5 or 6 years old. We're going to go over some of the features, some of the benefits of this machine, what I like, what I don't like, so that you can basically come along with me and check it out, so that if you're thinking about purchasing one of these or one of these comes online, you'll know what you are looking at and know what to look out for. So let's hop into it. We picked this machine up used, so this is a used machine, but as you can see, it's a newer version, not touchscreen, but the Mercado version, and it's in great shape. Cosmetic shape, looks great, gets cold, so there's no issues with it. If I were to sell this machine, pick this machine up for full transparency, $2,500. Probably will list it just because I like AMS combos over Wittern USI combos, probably for $4,000. So we'll list this machine for $4,000. Do I think I'll get that? Probably, because the market is super light on used machines right now, meaning there's not a lot out there. So the supply and demand, it's gonna go up there. So let's hop right into it though. Let's talk about this machine. First, how do I even know what brand this machine is? Well, on this machine, you can open it up. First thing I do not like the handle here. I prefer the screw in. This can be broken off. This is flimsy. Do not like that design. What I do like, the LED lighting. But let's talk about how we know what it is. So up inside there is the label, and you probably cannot see it because of the lights, but that's where you would see the model number. So it is a Wittern 3568. Now, as we look down on the door, what do we have? We have nice features here. We have drop sensors right here. We have our coin mech, nice new coin mech, bill validator, service mode, or our board with our directions. The nice thing about these machines, I will give Wittern credit. The programming, super simple, super easy to learn. So they do have that on their side. They are a nice machine to program. It's very simple, intuitive. Your whole programming list is right here. And then you have your credit card reader, which would go down here. Now, let's talk about the downside of this machine. In my opinion, these refrigeration decks are extremely hard to work on. You can't just plug them in like a Vending deck. You can't, as far as if you want to work on them. I'm not a refrigeration expert, but these are cumbersome to work on, okay? I'll leave it at that. Whereas other machines, let's say Dixie Narco, Vendo, anything where you can slide a deck in, slide a deck out, you can still do that, but the repairs on these seem to be a little more cumbersome, and they have more issues, in my opinion, as far as drains clogging, but let's not get into the technicals there. So this one is equipped with 2 pull-out drink trays, 2 tabs on the side here. Nice metal sturdy design with your labels here and your price scrolls. So you can Gatorade 12-ounce cans, anything you want, glass bottles you can put in there. Anything will fit. Most anything will fit in these. You have 2 drink trays and 3 snack trays. This is equipped. You can put a 3rd drink tray in here. There is another harness, but you do have to reconfigure it somewhat. So if I were to put this machine out on location, I would definitely add a 3rd drink tray, obviously, to increase the capacity. Next, 1 candy tray. Again, that pulls straight out, drops down like a drawer. Perfect. You can put your protein bars, Hershey bars, Snicker bars, whatever you want. Oreos, all in here. Then we have 2 chip trays, the same thing. So it's not a terrible little machine. I don't want you to think, I am a nitpicky. If I didn't have an AMS and I needed to put this out, I would probably put it out. It's just I've been burned with their refrigeration units a lot in the past, and That's what leaves me a little gun shy on these. But the programming is nice. The look, it looks good. It's a good looking machine. Let me know in the comments. Do you think this is a well put together machine? Do you like the way it looks? I mean, it's got new, modern. It's not outdated like that bad boy. I'm saving on to that until that's gonna be an antique, and that's gonna be worth a lot of money one day. That machine will be worth a lot of money. I'm just kidding, I haven't taken it to the scrap yard yet. That machine right there. So anyway, that's a little overview on this machine. The general knock on combo machines is what? If it's a busy location, they're gonna drain easily. They're not gonna hold enough product, and you're gonna have to return often. This is the smallest of the combo, meaning it's a 3 wide, so 1, 2, 3, a 3 wide combo. You can get 4 wide or 5 wide, obviously with the AMS machines that can have higher capacity, so that might be something to look at. But if you see one of these online and you come across it for a couple $1,000s, probably not a bad thing to pick up. The programming is easy, it looks great. So let me know in the comments, do you have any of these machines or any experience with them? What do you think of these machines? Interested in what you guys think about this machine. If you need help starting or growing your vending business, hillvending.com/start, free webinar to go over all of that. But remember, most importantly, until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.